In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Royal Bank of Scotland Online Banking. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the entire process, making it simple and straightforward. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the registration page for Royal Bank of Scotland's Digital Banking. This is where the journey begins. It's important to ensure that you're on the correct official website to protect your personal information and register securely. Once you're there, you'll find the intuitive setup quite user-friendly. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details as prompted. This includes your name, your date of birth, and crucially, your banking information like your sort code and account number. Make sure you have these details handy and that you input them carefully to avoid any errors or delays further down the line. These details are vital as they help the bank to recognize and verify your identity as an account holder. Now, the bank will provide you with a unique customer number. This is essential, as it's almost like a username specifically for your banking profile. Be sure to write this number down in a safe but readily accessible place because you'll need it every time you log into your online banking. Moving on to identity verification, which is a crucial step designed to protect your financial security. You'll receive a code sent directly to your mobile phone. If for any reason mobile verification isn't feasible, there's an option to receive this code through the post, although it might take a bit longer. Upon receiving this code, you'll use it to confirm your identity with the bank. With your identity verified, it's time to set up your login details. You'll use that verification code to help create a secure 4-digit PIN and a password. Both of these need to be memorable and private, yet not easily guessed. A good tip is to choose something that combines numbers and letters, or even phrases that only you would understand. Finally, you are ready to embrace the convenience of Royal Bank of Scotland Online Banking. Input your newly created PIN and password and access your account securely. From here, you can manage your finances with ease, check your statements, and operate your account anytime and anywhere. And there you have it, a seamless way to step into the world of RBS Online Banking. Remember, online banking can make managing your finances more efficient and flexible, but always maintain vigilance to protect your valuable information. Thanks for walking through this setup with me today. Stay safe and happy banking.